Okay, so today we've installed a Cobra Thatcham Category 2 touch key immobiliser to a Cobra. So there's your vehicle dashboard there. You've got the touch key receptacle, Cobra touch key receptacle just there. When you turn the ignition off, after 30 seconds, a little red light starts flashing like so, meaning the car is now passively immobilised. So it's immobilised itself every time you leave the car. So we turn the ignition key to the on position, and then we try to press the start button. See, we get nothing there. Okay, so we turn it off again, and then we'll get one of the electronic touch keys. You get two with the system. We'll get one of the electronic touch keys. Just simply push that in there like so. All the time the light's out, you can start the car. So now we turn the key to the on position again. It's going to be noisy, so bear with. Simple as that. And after 30 seconds of turning the ignition off, the system will automatically immobilise itself again, keeping the insurance company happy. A Cobra on a Cobra.